Hey guys, welcome back. It is Veronica and today I'm gonna do this makeup look, this anti-Valentine's Day. Because to me, Valentine's, I don't really care for it because, you know. But last Valentine's Day, I actually didn't mind. It was better than the other past Valentine's Day. But we were supposed to go to the beach, but no. You know who I'm talking to. If you guys want to know how to get this makeup look, then keep on watching. I'm filming already. Okay, because I already finished my one eyeball. And it echoes in here because it's empty. Ow! Oh, I hit my elbow. For primer, I'm just going to use their Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. You guys didn't know, I'm a sophomore in college. And before, in my other videos, the background was different because I was in a different dorm. My best friend and I recently moved dorms to a better one, so we have our own room, our own living space, our little kitchen area, own restroom and bathroom. So if you guys want a room tour, just let me know. It's not decorated, but I'd like to show you guys. Now to cover the veins and make the eyeshadow pop more, I'm going to put concealer on my lids up to the brow bone. I didn't realize that our dorm, my best friend and I dorm, is in the corner, so right there is where I can see people coming into the actual building. So people could see me. Interesting. Now to set the concealer, I'm going to use a brow bone color. And yes, this palette is kind of messed up because the black eyeshadow broke and went everywhere. So I'm using this color all over my lids to the brow bone to set it, so it makes blending much easier. Oops, I dropped an eyelash. Oh, this brush, I don't really know what it is, but it's a typical eyeshadow brush where you just pat color onto your lids. And for my transition color, I'm gonna use, so many stuff on this table. I'm using the Morphe 35O palette. I think this is what it's called. I don't remember. But I'm using this light orange color as my transition color. Using the Morphe 441 brush. And just putting it in my crease. And since I put it eyelids, I like to blend my eyeshadow higher than other people. Because if I open my eyes, you can't really see it. And do circular motions from the outer and inner. And at the end, I like to kind of flicker it out. Flicker? Is that a word? Like I did here, because later than with my foundation and concealer, I'm gonna clean it up. Now for the next color, I'm going to use the same palette, but I'll use a darker orange than that. It's more of a true orange. Using the Morphe 433 brush. And now I'm going to do the same thing, but go lower than the transition color. So you don't want to blend too high up to meet the transition. You want to stop just a bit below. But it's fun. With other brush, it's more of that transition color to blend it even more. You want to slowly intensify the color. You don't want to start off strong. You know. I'm gonna use the same brush and use the red color that's in the palette. after the transition color and you start using other colors, you don't want to go past it, so you want to start going lower so you can have a smooth transition. And you don't want to press hard either, you just want to lightly touch your eyelid and just swoop softly. Okay, now back to the transition. You don't want to grab a lot of eyeshadow when you're going back to blending. You want to like touch it once. Now using the same brush as the orange and the red, and Morphe M443, I'm gonna use the color Corduroy. That's in the Lorac Matte Pro Palette. And you wanna start very, very low and slowly blend it upwards. It's okay if you get it on your lid because we're gonna cover it up anyways with some concealer. I'm gonna go to this taper brush right here. It's not branded or anything. I got it for like $1 in this Asian website. Don't remember, it was a long time ago. I'm using this taper brush because I could be more precise with the color, where I want the color to be. And blending it. And put it in the outer corner of your eye. And slowly blend it towards the inner corner. Or slowly towards the center. It's more of a rounded corner over here. But once I clean it up, it's going to be sharp. You want to get your concealer. Okay, so since I have hooded eyelids, I learned this from Nicole Guerrero. I love you, by the way. And she puts the concealer just on your eyelid. Then you want to look up or around to see where you're gonna have to cut your crease. But I don't cut my crease where it's telling me or shows me where to cut it. Every time I open my eyes, my eyeshadow is gonna transfer above. It's gonna transfer right there. I'm gonna transfer to this concealer brush because it has a point. You want to go really slow with this because you don't want to rush it, then you might mess up. And once you get towards the outer corner, you want to taper it because you're going to cover it more with some of the brown eyeshadow. Because you don't want a sharp line of concealer. So every time when you blend the brown eyeshadow this way, it's going to be much easier. So the brown eyeshadow will collect where the glob of concealer is. The gold color half bit from the Urban Decay Naked Palette. Wait, is it this one? And I'm gonna wet it with, it's not Fix Plus, but it's the Badescu setting spray. I just put it in this because it's smaller and I like the spray better than the Badescu. Get some of the eyeshadow and just place it where you place the concealer. And go above the new crease to darken it up a bit more. Because we lost the color when we covered it up. Go to the outer corner and start blending it towards the center of the lips. The brush that has the gold, and just blend towards. I'm gonna get my eyeliner and draw a very thin line just to cover up the band of eyelashes. Okay, the eyelashes I'm using is a double up Whispies. For primer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Prime, the green one. I've already moisturized with my Cetaphil moisturizer. And for foundation, I'm going to use, I love this foundation, is the Wet n Wild, you can't see the label anymore, Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. Start off a little, and you guys, I'm using the Real Beauty blender for the first time. I'm so excited. Ooh, because I've been using the Real Techniques sponge and I haven't really tried the beauty blender. So this is my first time. I saved it for the camera. I'll apply some more since it's kind of an intense eye look. Ooh. Oh, can we appreciate this little Mount Everest on my nose, on the tip of my nose? Hello, no? And now for under my eyes, I'm using the same concealer that I use to clean up my eyebrows, use on my lids, which is the Maybelline Master Concealer. And then this is the time where you want to use your concealer to clean up underneath my eyes. I'm going to use Maybelline Master Fix Setting Powder, and you don't want to use too much of this. I'm only going to put it underneath my eyes because I learned my lesson. If you're taking flash photography, you want to use this because you can't see it. So I'm just going to put a little bit just underneath my eyes or where I put the concealer. And for all over my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Powder, and I'm in a natural beige. And I'm using a flat kabuki brush that doesn't have a brand to set the rest of my face with that Maybelline powder. I mean, I don't really have that. I mean, eyelashes. This is why I like using false lashes. But if I have to use a mascara, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Makes it a bit longer, but mostly it separates it so good. For bronzer, I'm gonna use a Rimmel Natural Bronze in Sundance. I'm using a big kind of powder brush. I'm not really gonna contour, just more bronze. The reason why I bronze, because I'm not gonna use blush because the eyes is already a bit too much. Some of my contour my nose, I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow in Buck, and I'm going to use the Sephora eyeshadow in Pro Tapered Crease 19. Mostly and bring whatever that's left up. And And to tone down the contour on the nose, you just want to get your powder foundation brush, and just tap it. And then for highlight, I use Makeover Essentials. This one is they broke, and this is the only shade I use. So you could tell it's like technically gone. And I use it as highlight, so let's pretend I didn't put highlight already. You could see that though. Let it go through. I put it on my cheekbone. I don't know if y'all can see that one. On my nose, the tip of my nose, where here, my inner corners, a little bit above my eyebrows, on my chin. And I set my face with the Badescu spray, setting spray, the pink one, the rose water, the orange, and smudge it underneath the lower lash line. I'm not gonna go all the way to the inner corner. I'm gonna stop right here. And you want to connect it to the corner of your eye so you don't have a little gap. Then same brush, take off the orange and get the corduroy brown and put it closer to your lash line. And you want to stop where you stopped in the orange. Where you stopped with the orange. Got Top It by Wet n Wild. I've done it. That's it for my video, guys. If you like this makeup haul, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't. Follow me on all of my social media, Snapchat, Facebook, and Instagram, and comment down below on what you guys are gonna do on Valentine's Day. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. It's Wednesday, December 27th, 3:30 something in the morning, and it's road trip time. So